June 12 na the day when military automatically hand over power to civilians. And June 12 na the day when people they mostly protest to cry out for wetin they want. But this year, June 12, the protest one they see and the way police they enter the matter, they shoot different things, gun, tear gas, they arrest unnecessarily. It's not called for. It's not called for. Watch this.
They are shooting guns.
Okay, Ben, we
not
really
just tear gas now, they're actually shooting. We cannot tell if these are rubber bullets or these are live rounds. But you can see the police now trying to apprehend some protesters. Yeah, and that's it. One protester has been apprehended right there. He's been taken away. Our camera has been blocked and we've been told to stop recording these shots. We have to move out of sight now.
Please move.
But we're still recording. Thomas, keep rolling.
To a safe distance.
Keep rolling. All right, more vehicles are coming. Step out of the way.
All right, we're asking you to keep rolling, but please do it safely, Ben.
This one happened now for Lagos. And see waiting this woman now they talk on top of this matter.
I'm tired of what is happening in Ojota now. In Lagos, throughout the world. In fact, I don't expect what is happening because the students that came for protection this morning, they are not with ammunition. They are not with any cutlass. They are not with guns. They are protesting peacefully. And I wonder why the police should come and be arresting them, shooting guns against them. I think it is not normal. It's not proper. We are in Nigeria. Those of us that does not have money to send our family to abroad, what do they want us to do? We are suffering here. Everyone is suffering in Lagos. We are buying Gary at the rate of 1,000, 1,500 naira. Gary that even no one that is recognizing it in anywhere before. It has turned to a goat for everybody. Why this is happening? And people that come out for the protection against all this, they are shooting against them. I don't know why it should be. I don't know why it should be in this way. And government should have something to do about it. They want to kill the poorest. We that doesn't have money to feed our family. We are just managing ourselves, suffering like a guy. He's talking a book. Yesterday, the guy was sharing a chest around me here. I was even almost crying with him. Why is it like this? It's not supposed to be like this. My name is Fakola Depumi in Ojota.
See the way protests supposed to be, calm, peacefully. Or your state governor still join the people protest. See, no chaos. Now looking at the topic, June 12. Now peaceful protest, now people come and can do. Make they cry and talk wetin government need to hear about. I know all these things when they want to talk about, government don't hear them before. At least constant reminder. Government, do one thing. We not get light, no security, no job opportunities, no school, no infrastructure, hospital, nothing there. Now if you pick out one thing from the crowd of Nigerians on do am. I know say we watch one video when they talk say our government don't fail. Yes. Not be bad thing say person fail. But when you stand up say you fail, you want to correct wetin you fail. People go come dey happy with you. But today protest from wetin we dey see from news, channels everywhere. It shows say the protest, the way that they arrest people not to protest, not good. Not be democracy with that. Democracy, they allow people, they can protest. You can say what you want to say. And what the protest is all about? Protest give you the opportunity to hear your opinion. Other countries, they protest. If they protest, they carry arrest like that. They carry shoot people. Not be the one when they happen now for Abuja. See picture when they see. They see picture. Policeman carry. They shoot people when they protest. It's not called for. Now protest, not be riot, not be war. I beg this country, more will do what is right. The country, I still believe, say this country go better if our leaders change mind. If our leaders change their heart. If our leaders say, okay, let's make this country great, it go great. And it is your responsibility to listen to the people crying. Everybody, they cry every now and then. Even for Edo State, Benin Awuchi Express Road, you cannot walk it. You cannot travel it. Now, danger. Danger everywhere for the country. And people come out and make them protest, tell you their mind. Would they arrest them? Oh, try leaders listen to the crowd for people, not me to the arrest them.